Hi, good day. I'm Vilco, a member of MMM Philippines, MMM Worldwide. Um, I'm from Butuan City, Agusan North, and Agusan del Norte. Um, Last November 20, provide help. Um, the amount is 50,000 pesos under Mabro Mining. And today, I received the amount of 50,000 pesos plus 20% interest. The total cash that I received is 60,000 pesos. And I would like to thanks to Joy Calio, Magbulog Tong Maxima, Maria Crizel Sales, and Lanza JB. Thank you so much, guys, for providing me the time I need help. And mabuhay you guys, and also thank you for this great opportunity for MMM, and thank you so much.